everyone, and welcome back to another video. Oh, today I'm gonna show you who the LEGO Duplo Hangout Spot. Now, before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get into it. First, we're gonna make the food stuff. You need to first get a big gray plate, then get a green block, and then get a yellow block. Place them right here. Little bit. You need to leave two slots. Then put this over here. Then put a chair here, and you can put any figure you like on this chair, and put a barbecue stick on this side. Then we're gonna make the soup pot. First, get the soup pot and the gas, put them together like this. Then give this man an phone and make a scene like he's talking to someone, and put him here like he's on the phone and cooking some food. So this is the barbecue station in our first build. Now we're gonna get to a second build. First, get a green platform. Then get draw that some slots. Then after that, get a shelter, and after that, get some castle blocks. Put them here like this. Then put some flags on the top just for decoration. Now after that, you can put a teddy bear, gas, and two tools on the shelf. Now put a money register here. Now turn it around. Then after that, put a orange chair here. Then put any figure you like over here. It isn't finished yet. There's lot more to it. Then and put a block under the book. Put this book on the corner, and put any girl figure you like over here reading a book. After that, if you're done with this, put a cream symbol on the top. It's a really tricky one. And then put a flower on the top. And you can, if you want, you can make the design like this also and put the flower on the top. I think I'll stick with this one. Now you need to put a girl with some money here, and some cupcakes behind there, cupcakes and milkshake. It looks like she is pulling it, and put money in front of her. There, the LEGO Duplo yard sale is ready. Next, at the last, we've got LEGO Bank ATM. First, you need to get this bat. Then put the castle wall here. Any block, any 3x3 block over here. Then put this over here. Then after that, open it. Wait, what the heck? I made it wrong. Sometimes it happens. Now open it. Put some money in there. Close it. and then put more of these, two more of these up there, then and make a water the cooler over here at the side. Then after that, do it like this. Then after that, put some railings over here, leading to straight go automatic ATM bank. Put these two like this. Then after that, put this one here and put this one here, and after that do this, and you can put also this here for just fanciness, and then take any figure you want and then put him here, like he's trying to he's opening the vault and getting his money. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys liked and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video.